Hi, good morning, Puja. I'm gonna give this another go for today. I think this has been my fourth, fifth, sixth, well, countless of times that I have tried this one. Anyways, what I usually do with the items that were given to me is I would copy the product UPC. It's this one. And I have found an online, I think it's a database, wherein you could check every detail, including the brand name and other details like that on the internet. So it's this website right here. So what I'm gonna do is just paste that one and look at the suggested names for it here. I think they would give you up to 10, and I would just see the one that's fit, understandable, those kinds of things, and I just copy them on the Excel sheet. Sometimes I would modify them to fit. For example, if this section would say that it has two toy straps, so I would add that one as well. Or if it indicates the weight here, I would indicate that here as well. Next would be, I would on the lower corner you would see the stores that are listing this particular item, so I would check on them one by one. So let's say I would just check the first 3 for this example, and then I would look which website has a compelling and understandable description for the item. So for example, it's this one, or it's this one. I would just choose which one, but I prefer to have items that are listed like this in bullet form, because for me it's more detailed and direct to the point rather than the ones that are listed on a paragraph form. So yeah, but sometimes I also tend to mix and match the two together so that it would create a more compelling result. So for this one, I'll just use the ones in the bullet form. I'll add that one in here. And the next would be, I would then check columns L and Q, so both are the brands for the item, if it matches the one on column F. So in this case it does. I try to keep it as consistent as possible. So if I'm gonna use baby body here, and then I'll just copy it on column Q. Also, I will check the category ID, that's column M. I have an Excel sheet for all the list of the categories. This sheet will vary from time to time because when I see the need, I would add a new category, especially if I encounter items that are like above 3 that are listed but doesn't have a specific category. So I would just add the category using this one, the big commerce site. So don't worry about that now, or you could just ask help from Chris if you need to. So yeah, I guess that's it for this item. It's about a toy strap. So generally I would look at babies, kids or babies and children's, and toys or accessories, or just the generic category, or the general, not generic, general category, activities and gears. So could use that one. Update it here, and yeah, I would just add product contains for this one. It's to toy straps, and then the description. Just according to Mike, this will just be a few words describing the item, so I would just look at the one that's the best fit among the description. So normally I would choose, like for kids it's BPA free, or for utensils it's dishwasher safe, or it's stainless steel, those kinds of things. And I would add it here. Okay, and then yeah, I guess that's about it. When I'm done, I'll just use green to mark that I'm the one doing the edit for this one. Well, you could use a different color or the same color, it's totally up to you. So yeah, I guess that's about what I've been doing for the items. Feel free to message me if you have questions, and hopefully this screen recording will be uploaded to you and will not have any more issues or errors. Yeah. Have a great day.